Alright guys, today we are doing a 2022 retake of the Petro Canada Glide Wash in Bradford. And that has a MacNeil tunnel. You can see someone's getting you can see that someone's in the tunnel already. You can see the equipment is firing up. It's really interesting. So yeah. This brush is already fired up, and it looks like this one is about to as well. Looks like they got the new super foam since the last time we were here, and they put in a new rinse search. So yeah, alright, I will show you how dirty the car is right now. Starting on the passenger side, or maybe on the back where I'm here. Alright, you can see that the back window is dirty. Same with here. Some spots on the back right corner. Some dirt spots here. Tires are dirty too. A little bit of stuff on the hood, you can see. That. Driver's side. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty, you can see. Dirt and stuff like that. So yeah, looks like there's a little bit of soap dripping on that car, but oh well. It's interesting, you can see the conveyor belt really well through here. We'll do a conveyor belt. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's try out this wash and see if they made any improvements since the last time we were here. So, let's get started. Alright, here we go.
Welcome to Petro Canada.
So, got this wash and go card, so tap it. This one we'll be getting.
Please wait.
Alright, here we go. This guy's getting for super foam. Three washes remaining. Alright, here we go. Now we pulled into a spot. Now let's take a look and see how Alpha Wash did. Starting on the driver's side, because why not? Anyways, yeah, looks like with the MacNeil dryers did not bad. Like with a little bit of water here, with a little bit of spots but couldn't get off, and I can easily remove that out of my finger. With a little bit of spot here again, which is weird. Dryer sucked here on the back. A little bit of soap, you can see, there's a little bit of soap on the back window. Looks like you can see where the brush is touched and where it didn't again. A hard spot again. A lot of soap here you can see. Like look at this. Really ridiculous. And it looks like it couldn't get off this again, you can see. A lot of spots it couldn't get off. On the passenger side, well, not bad. Dryers did well, like with a little bit of water. And that again, too, I can easily remove that. Water here as well. And that I can remove too. A lot of spots I can remove. Anyways, on the hood, yeah, dryers did not bad. Got most of the stuff off except for here again. Easily remove that. And missed that too. Box. Yeah, I couldn't get most of the box off again. Missed that too, you can see. Easily removed. So yeah. So what? So all in all, what do I think about this glide wash? I've seen better washes than this. Like, it couldn't get off easily removed spots. Not much equipment has changed except for a new rinse sarge and the super foam. But other than that, this wash hasn't changed a bit. And the MacNeil dryers did not bad too. You can see the conveyor belt, the brushes, the Superflex brushes, you can see. And the MacNeil side brushes here, you can see the MacNeil logo on one of them, and the top brush too, and the super foam. So all in all, it's not a bad wash, but however, I've seen better washes than this, for sure. And you can see, kind of see the dryers in here. So yeah. So let's do the overall review right now. So let's get started. And before we get started, you can see the wash options. Top wash bill is $16.99. Pause if you want to read it. But we used a wash and go card again. So yeah. Anyways, let's do the review right now. I give wash quality a 2 out of 5. Overall, the wash did a really terrible job. It didn't get all the dirt off the car, left a ton of soap on the back, and it didn't get all the box off the bumper. The only thing it did well is that it cleaned the tires, and that's it. So overall, the wash did a terrible job, and it definitely needs some improving. I've given dryers a 3 out of 5. Overall, the MacNeil Tech Tray 1 dryers did an average job. Some spots are dry, but however, most of the spots are soaking wet. And not to mention that it left spots on the car thanks to the non-spot free water. So overall, the dryers could need some improving as well. I've given pricing a 2 out of 5. Even though we used a wash and go card, for what you get, $16.99 for the top wash is not worth it. The only thing you get with the top wash is the super foam and the free vacuums, which we didn't use. There's much cheaper car washes in the Bradford area, like the Canadian Tire and the Shell. The Canadian Tire is $13.99, but the Shell is $14.99 with a gas purchase and $16.99 without. Even though the Shell is the same price like the Petro Canada, it does more things than the glide wash. So all in all, $16.99 here is not worth it. Especially it doesn't get your car cleaned. I've given coverages a 4 out of 5. Overall, the super foam had an excellent coverage, but however, it missed a spot on the driver's side. So that needs some improving as well. Overall, I will rate this wash an 11 out of 20. The wash did an awful job and I've seen better washes. It's a really short tunnel for sure. It takes 2 minutes to go through. This is actually the only tunnel wash in the Bradford area. There used to be 2 tunnel washes, but the other one was replaced with a Petro Canada KR1. That's the Palm Springs car wash. I definitely seen better washes than this, like the Shell down the street. It does a much better job. Hopefully for next time when I come back into the Bradford area, I can film the Canadian Tire to see which wash is better. But one thing's for sure, I'm not a big fan of this wash. The last time I was here was back in 2019. And ever since my last visit, they added the super foam and a new rinse but nothing else has changed. Reviews by Fence, who is another car wash YouTuber, filmed this wash in the Canadian Tire in 2020. But ever since he went through it, no one else filmed it. So that's why I decided to go back here and see if they made any changes to this wash. They did, like I said, but however they made the wash worse. So all in all, I don't recommend this wash. If you like to look for better car washes in the Bradford area, go to the Shell or the Canadian Tire down the street. They do a much better job anyways. Before I end this video, I want to say a quick thank you for 1,200 subscribers. You guys are really awesome and I really appreciate the support over the past 5 years. Keep these subscribers coming and I'm really hoping to film more car washes at the end of the summer. I have some new washes planned for you, so please stay tuned for them which is coming up in the future. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this 2022 retake of the Petro Canada Glide Wash in Bradford. Until my next car wash review, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks. Hey, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this epic video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual.